Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a little bit of a different makeup tutorial. I'm gonna be giving you a couple different options for date makeup, date looks, because I know every date is kind of different. So I kind of just wanted to give you guys some options. So I have this look right here, which is more of a daytime, everyday date sort of thing, more casual, you know what I mean? And then I'm also gonna be showing you how to achieve a more dramatic nighttime look. And I'm gonna be using the same palette for both of the looks because obviously that's the easiest way to go because we gotta, keep it on a budget here. But I'm gonna be using this palette from Deck of Scarlet, and I'm really excited about this because I actually collaborated with them on this palette, and I've been working on this for quite a while now. So it's really exciting to finally be able to use it in front of you guys and create some looks with it. So if you don't know much about Deck of Scarlet, I've talked about them tons of times. They're basically a makeup subscription service, and you get a set like this every 2 months, and every set is actually a collaboration with a YouTuber, which I think is amazing. And that's actually how I found out about it, is through their collaboration with Sandra Deluxe, who I love. If you guys don't know her, definitely follow her because she did one and I got it and I was amazed at the quality and the pigmentation, and also her color collection was like amazing, so it was awesome. But I wanted to do my own because, why not join in on the fun? So I am this season's artist-in-chief, so in my little set, you will get a palette that pretty much comes with everything that you would need for a full face of makeup, at least all of like the color cosmetics parts. So this has 3 different eyeshadows, 2 cheek colors, which I'm so excited about because the highlight, okay, and then also 2 cream lip colors. And then on top of that, you also get an eyeliner and a lip liner. So those are all the products that I'm gonna be using in this tutorial to create the 2 different sort of 2 different date time looks. This is the first look that I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create, which is more of like the daytime date makeup look. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna go ahead and get my face ready for foundation. I have been obsessed with this Too Faced Born This Way foundation. It's been so nice because it actually has more of a mattified finish, but it has a really nice breathable coverage. So it is pretty full coverage, honestly, but it doesn't feel like you have like a bunch of foundation caked onto your face. Alrighty, and then we're just gonna go ahead and brighten up this under eye area. So for concealer, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. This is a really great one if you have these like divots because it's a little bit thicker of a formula, but on me it does not crease at all. It's actually a really nice wearing formula for me. I've heard some people saying that like it's either too dry on them and then it starts to crease, or it doesn't set well enough and it starts to crease. But if you have similar skin type to me, I have like oily-ish, normal-ish skin, then I feel like this is a really nice concealer. Look, I'm almost out of it. I'm like scraping the sides just to get more product out. When you're looking crazy, that's where you want to go with this look. No, for a daytime look, I don't really like to do too much of like a brightened, highlighted under eye area. So the shade that I was using was medium because I like to keep it more on the natural side, like more just like you woke up like this. And we're gonna go ahead and press this Too Faced powder under the eyes. I already poured powder into the top, but it's the Peach Perfect, if you could see that. And this is probably my favorite baking powder right now because I feel like it adds such a nice layer of coverage under the eyes. And not only that, it actually has this peachy undertone, so it really cancels out discoloration. Alrighty, so then once you, let your bakage bake on your face, you can go ahead and wipe that away. For our daytime look, I'm gonna be priming our eyes with the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer. I thought I was gonna say base equalizer, but it's the Step 1 Skin Equalizer Eye and Lip Primer. This is a newer primer actually, but I really like it because it's really lightweight and you can add shadows on top and it doesn't feel too heavy on your lids, so it's perfect for a daytime look. For our daytime look, I'm just gonna keep it really, really simple, honestly. And the first shade that I'm gonna take is Starry Eyed, and I'm just gonna pop that right into the crease with a crease brush. We came up with the name Starry Eyed because it's just like something that you could use on an everyday basis to remind yourself to always reach for the stars and follow your dreams. Aren't I cute? It's actually really neutral. It's not too cool toned. It looks more cool toned in the pan than it does on your eyes, but you can see when you're blending it in, you can definitely see that warmth coming out, and like it's just so beautiful on its own. You honestly don't really need like to add a bunch of things, especially on a daytime look. This is pretty much all I would wear, and just add on some lashes and of course inner corner highlight. So we'll do that right now. It's so pretty. I love adding inner corner highlight, honestly. I feel like it just wakes up the eyes, and especially for a daytime look, like I said, when you're not gonna be using like a ton of eyeshadows and eye products, this is the perfect way to like revive your eyes. You definitely wanna go in and just kind of blend out this edge right here so it's not like too crazy. You know what I mean? And then that is it for the eyeshadow for this daytime look. We're just gonna add on some mascara and some lashes now. Oh, and then I am gonna add on actually the eyeliner that comes inside of the set. This is such a beautiful eyeliner, you guys. So let me get it out right now. It's called Goddess. It's a really, really pretty rose gold shade. This is a very versatile shade actually, because you can wear it for the day like this, but also when we amp it up for our nighttime look for like a more dramatic, smokier look, it actually works really well as just kind of like a brightener underneath the lower lash line. We called it Goddess because we're all goddesses here. Mascara right before we go into our falsies. And if you don't, oh my gosh, wow, my lashes look really long. I've been trying Grande Lash, the serum, like it's like a lash growing serum, and I feel like it's actually working. But anyways, if you do not like to wear false lashes for like an everyday look or like a daytime look, you can totally skip that step, but I'm going to because I'm a little extra. So I am gonna, you know, pop on those falsies. But again, this look could totally be done without it and just like adding on mascara. And then for the lashes, for our daytime look, I'm gonna be using my absolute favorite pair, of like more natural-ish looking lashes. So these are the House of Lashes Iconic Lights. Okay, wow, what is happening here? We'll try one more time. Oh, there we go, there we go. Ugh, this is the most beautiful lash for like an everyday natural look. I'm just gonna lightly bronze because I've mentioned this before, but when I'm doing like a daytime look, you know, I'm not trying to go crazy with like contouring and like too much bronzing. It's more so just like to achieve a sun-kissed glow. For blush, I'm gonna go into our Deck of Scarlet palette and just take the shade Lovesick. These are really pigmented, so definitely make sure to tap off the definitely make sure to tap off the excess because they're just like, they're crazy, dude. They're very pigmented. I just like to do a little flush on the cheeks, the apples of the cheeks, and then kind of blend backwards, but I definitely deposit most of the color right here at the front. Damn, I feel like that just makes it look so feminine and girly right there. My favorite part, highlight. I'm so excited because I actually love the highlight that's in this palette, and I'm so happy with the formula and how it came out, and also the color. I feel like it's just a versatile color. It's gonna be so beautiful on so many skin tones, and this is like my prized possession inside this palette. This is like my baby, is the shade Rockstar, which is our highlighter. Obviously we had to call it Rockstar because, I mean, hello, obviously you're gonna shine bright like a rock star. Especially for this type of look, I feel like the highlighter is like the star of the show, you know what I mean? Like the eyes we kept pretty simple, but the highlighter is really here to make a statement. It's here to slay the day away, or the date. So I like to apply it a little bit on the forehead just to get that forehead glow, which you know what I mean. Obviously the chin glow, gotta be living. Now it's time for our lip liner. So this one is called Foxy, and I named it this because that was actually my nickname growing up, was Foxy Roxy. And this is just a really nice everyday kind of lip color. It would work for so many different lip colors, or you could even like fill it in and just wear the lip liner as your main lipstick. But today I'm just gonna be using it only on the outer corners. Actually, no, you know what? I am gonna fill it in. So I'm gonna fill in my lips using the lip liner so that it creates sort of like a matte lip. But this lip liner, the formula is really nice because it's actually really creamy, so it's not gonna be drying. So you can see that just gives you such a pretty base to start off with. And then I'm gonna take the shade Smooch right here. It's a cream lipstick, so it has, again, like a really nice opacity to it. And I'm just gonna place that right in the middle of the lips to give it a little zhuzh. This is our finished daytime look. It's actually really easy to do, so it's perfect for a daytime date. And I feel like it just looks effortless, but still, you know, you're glowing, you're there, you got that natural beauty going on. But I'm gonna show you guys how to do a nighttime look that's a lot more dramatic. So you can keep pretty much that same face routine the same, but we are going to do a totally separate eye makeup look and lip look for this nighttime dramatic shindig. Goodbye, my lovers. Goodbye, my friends. Okay, so we're gonna start off our nighttime look with just that same eye primer, and I'm just gonna buff it into the lids this time, create an even base here. Going directly into our eyeshadow, I'm gonna take the shade Bronzed. I had to call this shade Bronze because it's the perfect bronze shade. It's like not too dark, not too light, and it's gonna be great for this more like dramatic smoky eye. I love the shade so much. It has a bit of warmth to it too. It has almost like a coppery undertone. So pretty. So I like to put that base down and then go in with a smaller brush and kind of blend out the edges up here. I feel like these shadows just blend out so nicely and smoothly too. That's like one thing that I really like about the formula is like we only used one shadow just now, but it looks like we've put in a lot of effort. And I feel like whenever I'm getting ready for like a date, I mean, who am I kidding? I never go on dates, but like whenever, if I was getting ready for a date, okay, Nick, I see you laughing over there, okay. Whenever I'm getting ready for anything, I'm always running late, so the easier, the better for me. And then I'm just gonna take a slightly fluffier blending brush and kind of blend out the edges. But it's crazy, these eyeshadows, like the more you blend them in, the more it looks like you've put a lot of effort into your look, even though literally it's one shade. No one can resist a good old-fashioned bronze smoky eye. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? But we are gonna spice it up a little bit. Should I do that now or later? I'll do my lashes first. I'll pop on some lashes, and we're gonna be going for a more dramatic pair than what I would normally do because this is more of like a nighttime look. So I'm gonna be using these Lily lashes, and these are in the style Mykonos. I'm just gonna add some glue onto the band here. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I forgot the mascara. Do you think I'm crazy, Nick? Am I weird? Or am I cool? My lashes are for sure getting longer, dude. Yeah. I can feel it. Kind of misplaced these and I don't know which one is the right eye and which one's the left eye. So we're just gonna try this out. But these are a much more dramatic lash than like what I would normally wear. But we're doing it up because it's date night. I laugh because it's such a joke because honestly all I do is like sit at home and watch Friends. Yes, lashes, come true. True. To add some zhuzh into the eye look, I'm gonna pop in Bora Bora to my inner corners. I know, we're getting crazy, but I really love this shade, honestly, and I think it's such a cool pop of color to include in like any sort of eye makeup look, so that's why I wanted to show you that, you know, it's a little less conventional, but it'll still look cool. Turquoise is actually my birthstone, so you know, we had to throw that in. And it just reminds me of Bora Bora, like the waters of Bora Bora. I don't know, I've never been there, but I've always wanted to go, so this reminds me of what they look like in my dreams. And then for the bottom lash line, I'm just gonna take a bit of the same shade called Bronze and smoke it out under here. I like to connect it right here. We'll pop in a little bit more of that goddess eyeliner too. And of course, you gotta finish off the eyes with some bottom mascara to match the top part. When you put the mascara, when you go like this, like side by side, side to side, it makes it so voluminous. We're just gonna add on the same lip liner. Like I said, this lip liner, Foxy, is really good for so many different looks. Like it's gonna be a very versatile lip liner. You can use it for lighter shades, more nudes, or to amp it up for night. We're not gonna be filling it all the way in this time for our nighttime look. We're just gonna be going in straight to this shade right here, which is called Swept Away. And I'm just gonna apply Swept Away all over the lips. This is a gorgeous shade, and it's just kind of like a mauve-y Bordeaux is how I would describe it if you ask me. But it's has a really pretty rosy undertone, and again, I feel like this would be such a beautiful shade on so many different skin tones. And that is it. This is my nighttime look. So as you can see, I feel like this palette is really easy to create like multiple looks. We got a daytime look, we got a nighttime look, we got all of our dates planned out and ready to go. So hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you have any requests for future videos that I should do, and let me know how you guys like the palette. If you do end up ordering it, again, I will put a link down below for you guys. So yeah, hope you guys liked the video, and I will see you in my next video.